What's up, everybody? I'm John.
I'm Isaac.
And we are Cars and Cameras. And last time, Ike blew up our brand new Predator 420cc engine. What do you have to say for yourself?
I like to party.
It's always you, dude. I mean, this engine was governed. It had oil in it. There's no reason why it should have blown up, at least, you know, for our fault, from it being our fault. I would like to crack the case and see exactly what went wrong, but, like, well, we're going to return it while we still can.
Yeah. And I'd like to point out that the box looked like it had been dropped a dozen times.
Yes.
There were some, remember the screws that were in the places that weren't supposed to be?
Yeah,
like there was
like
that long screw
yeah.
with the spring. Anyhow, there was funky things from day one.
But in the meantime, we are going to take the Stage 2 engine off of the golf cart and put it on here, and hopefully sometime soon our new belt will come in so we can have some speed and acceleration. So all the bolts are out, and Ike, yank it, dude.
All right. With the fuel tank in, it is a little bit harder. But there it is. There she is.
All right, let's do our magic.
All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Bam! Like it never even happened. We just have to drain the oil yet. Ike is cleaning a pan for us so we can inspect it, and then this thing will be ready to go back.
It looks so clean.
I know. I don't dare use it though.
Oh, there's
we got a chunk. It's a big chunk too. It smells hot. You smell that?
I don't think that's hot. It's just the oil.
So all the big chunks went to the bottom, but you can see that there's a lot of flakes on top. Now those big chunks.
That's out of the engine.
Yeah. Okie dokie. So the engine's ready to go. Now we can just take this engine off of the golf cart and put it in the ATV. But first, we just got another couple items from Go Power Sports for an upcoming project. You guys are about to lose your minds. Look at those things. These are gorgeous. So these are similar rear wheels that we put on the back of the rail, but we have like a turf tire. Yeah, model them for me, dude. Anyway, they are really, really, really nice. You will need to call for the specific wheel and tire setup, but we got Turf Master, what's the size? Carlisle, 16 by 7.5 by 8, and this is an 8-inch racing wheel. GoPowersports.com, guys. One problem we might run into is the difference between the Hemi head and the non-Hemi. So we set this thing up and built it for the non-Hemi, and we're assuming that there are only minor differences between the Hemi and non-Hemi. So here is the Hemi valve cover, Stage 2 engine, and here is the non-Hemi. It's way smaller. So just as long as one doesn't poke out more than the other, we should be okay. Go Power Sports came through with a belt for us. It had been here for like a week and I just didn't see it come in. So thank you, Go Power Sports. This should be the key to turn this thing into a complete beast. So all we need to do is switch the belts and then it's gonna be freaking party time.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're probably gonna have to move the engine back because I don't know that this thing is gonna wanna sink in there a whole lot. Actually, it might work pretty good. Yeah, dude, that engine's got to move forward.
Yep.
But it's okay. We anticipated this.
We made it where it would.
Yep. Let's do it.
So since we have to move the engine forward, the exhaust has to go forward too. We didn't really count on that, so we are going to have to re-drill some holes in the frame to let the exhaust move forward too.
Ain't nothing but thing.
I dropped my nut.
Alright, we should be able to move the engine.
Alright. Keep going. Why is it not moving?
Right. Do we need to go more? Because if so, we need to cut this part of this brake bracket. It's up against the engine cover.
Well,
are we close?
We're close, man.
Okay.
just boulder down.
Oh. Grand ride, bro? Or are we gonna rock, paper, scissors?
He's already got the helmet on.
I had such a win streak lately.
Oh, so you're automatic? No, we're rock, paper, scissoring it.
Okay.
That confident.
Confidence is gonna get me in trouble?
I don't know.
Gotta get warmed up. I think today might be your day, buddy. Today might be your day. I hope it is, because that's probably gonna wheelie. And I don't want to get dumped off it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You still got another couple chances, bro. It's all good. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah! The streak continues. Sorry, bud.
It's alright. .31. I'll say 32.
32. It seems pretty fast. 34.
Holy cow.
That's what's up, bro. Yeah. Cool. I'm happy with that.
Good.
You want to give it a shot?
I'll give it a shot.
Wax your feet. Okay. That exhaust is hot, dude.
Yeah,
Feel it.
If we put a seat on it, it should solve that problem.
Yeah.
So 34, that's pretty good.
Dude, 34 is cooking on this thing.
It's not super fast.
No.
But it's plenty for what we need.
Yeah.
I wonder what the factory
top speed was. I was about to ask that. Yeah, I'm gonna say in the 40s.
You're gonna say
because it doesn't feel like you're going way faster than it should be going.
I think the other engine turned up a little bit harder.
Yeah. I think we still have a lot more to do on this thing. Like, first off, the thing that really bugs me is like your feet vibrate so much it feels like they're just floating around on the footrest. So I think we need some kind of vibration dampener there. We have a upgraded like a performance carburetor we're gonna throw on this thing from Go Power Sports to get us a little more RPM and horsepower. What else? We need to order axles still. I think we can officially say that this thing is awesome and we need to order axles for four-wheel drive.
Yep.
We can mount our seat. We need some kind of scatter shield, and we need to hook up kill switch. All that is going to happen next time, but I think it's pretty good so far. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It should do really well in Mini Mayhem coming up, and I think it'd be a really good option to put up against our monster truck go-kart.
Yeah.
So if you had this ATV, let us know in the comments how fast you've been on it. I think we're in the ballpark. The carburetor is definitely going to help next time. What else do you think?
Well, the axles.
Yeah.
A seat would be super nice.
Yep.
With a little scatter shield between the engine and us.
Yes, absolutely.
We're going to be turning this engine pretty hard.
Yep.
And
it already has been turned on the Golf cart.
Yeah, and I just blew one up, so
safety first.
Yeah.
Press the like button if you enjoyed this video, guys, and subscribe to Cars and Cameras for more of this crazy content. Don't forget to check out Go Power Sports parts at the links in the description of this video, and let them know we sent you next time you place an order. Help support us by picking up a t-shirt or sticker or hat at CarsandCameras.com. We'll see you next time when we're going to be upgrading the 420cc ATV. All right, here's a quick update for all you guys planning on coming to Mini Mayhem Spring 2019. Can't wait to see you guys out there. We're about 10 days out. Ike and I just picked up this Yerf dog. I don't know what it's called, but it's gigantic, powered by a GY6, and we finally got some axles in for the ATV. You're going to see all that stuff in other videos. So we've had some questions from you guys asking what we are going to be bringing to Mini Mayhem, and that list is going to be the monster truck, the Murray mini bike with the Tillotson 212R engine, the 420 ATV, the Tilly quad, the little tiny quad with the Tillotson engine on it, the big Yerf dog that we just picked up, if we can get it running, the Subaru Yerf dog is a camera vehicle, probably Pugly, and some CT200 mini bikes, maybe something else, I'm not sure, the Rat Rod wagon, depending on what we have room for. Be sure to check out the schedule on the event on our Facebook page at Cars and Cameras Reviews, and in the discussion, go ahead and let us know what you are bringing. Some people have posted their builds already, and they're looking pretty cool. There are going to be a lot of big blocks here, a lot of 420s coming out, and a lot of other vehicles I've honestly never seen before. I mean, last time someone had a 600cc like Honda street bike out there, someone was riding a bicycle out there. It's just crazy what comes out, so post that on the event page on our Facebook page. Another important thing to note is that we are going to be meeting in a different location this time. So when you drive into Busco Beach, the pavement turns into sand. There's a little check-in booth that's on the right. Once you go and check in, you keep going straight there, and then it forces you to turn left, and you'll go around a pond, and then when you go straight, you'll see a bunch of trees on the left. That's where we're going to be meeting. I'm sure you can ask when you check in, and they'll be able to tell you, but just in case, there's where we're going to be meeting. Just follow the sounds of predators. I don't know. Just so we're perfectly clear, again, when you leave the pavement and the sand begins, the check-in booth is on the right. You have the choice of either going straight or going to the right. You're going to want to go straight, and I think it's like a 5-mile-an-hour speed limit. And that straight sandy road is going to take a sharp left. You're going to want to follow that for, I don't know, 0.2 of a mile or something like that. You're going to see a nice shaded parking area with trees, and that's where we are going to be and set up. Some people are going to get there on Friday night and check everything out for us. So if you're wondering about going Friday night, there are going to be people there Friday night, but we're going to get there, try to get there, I don't know, a little early, like 8 or 9 a.m. on Saturday. Looking forward to seeing you guys there. Again, show us what you're bringing on Facebook, and yeah, looking forward to it. You have 10 days. Good luck with the builds.